So I have 53-year-old skin. I am told that my skin is pretty good for 53 years old. First of all, I love this squalene cleanser by the Ordinary. It leaves my skin feeling moisturized and clean. And that's all I can ask for from a cleanser. It dissolves makeup as well as cleansing the skin. It doesn't have fragrance at all. It's nice and creamy. I like to mix it with a little bit of water and then just apply it all over my face. I even put it over the eye area, and it doesn't irritate my eyes. And as you can see, it is not bothering my eyes in the least. It does remove mascara. I don't wear waterproof mascara, so I can't attest to whether or not it removes waterproof mascara. But I know it removes my regular black mascara really, really well. And then I just rinse it off. Rinse it off really nicely. It leaves a nice clean feeling. And when I'm done, my skin feels just cleansed, not dried out, kind of dewy, and perfect for the next step. The next step is to use the Ordinary 7% Glycolic Acid Toner. I've been using this for over a year. This is my third bottle, so it does last quite a while. I just pour a little bit onto a cotton pad. And this is going to pick up any makeup or dirt that didn't come off the first time with the cleanser, and it's also going to remove a lot of dead skin cells. So after using this, my skin tends to feel really refreshed. It doesn't burn at all. Don't be afraid of the acid in the name. And you can see there's not a whole lot left over after I use this squalene cleanser, but there's a little bit. So when I go over my lips, I really feel like I'm getting off any rough or chapped lips I might have. Just goes away. I have a dark spot right here, and it has faded quite significantly. Next, I go in with my Argireline solution. It is a 10%. They call this Botox in a bottle. This is my second bottle like this. The first one lasted me a month, and this one's almost done. I'm going to need to get another one. So it is not very thick. It goes on like water. Don't expect a heavy serum here. And basically, you just put it anywhere where you've got fine lines and wrinkles, and it absorbs in really quickly. So I like to put this in while my skin is still damp from cleansing and toning. I like to put it on my lips because I have the beginnings of some lip wrinkles, even though I don't smoke. Yeah, it's a nice thin solution. And you pack that all in. I never wipe off my extra. I rub it into the back of my hands. They're starting to show their age. After that, I go in with my caffeine solution. So this is just going to wake my skin up. It's going to decrease puffiness around the eyes. So I pat that in there really well. Nothing ages you faster than puffy eyes. The multi-peptide and copper. I love this. It really, really makes my face feel well moisturized. It's a blue color. That's from the copper, I believe. It's a nice thick consistency. I usually just use 2 drops and apply it all over my face, especially those lips, and down onto the neck. I feel extra dewy. I love how my skin feels after using this. I use it every day, and sometimes at night for a little extra boost. The Ordinary's Natural Moisturizing Factors with Hyaluronic Acid Surface Hydration Formula. And just like most of the Ordinary's products, there's no artificial coloring and no fragrance. This goes on really smoothly. Don't forget the lips. It doesn't taste bad, I swear. I get it even up around the eyes. So this is a really simple routine, really easy to maintain. I love the simple and natural ingredients that the Ordinary uses. And I think my skin is much improved, even in the winter. I've been so impressed with the Ordinary for my skin that I did purchase the Ordinary for my son. He was having some issues with acne. He uses the same cleanser and moisturizer as I do, but he uses the niacinamide 10% and the salicylic acid 2%. He puts this directly on any blemishes, and he puts the niacinamide all over his face. And it's incredible.